Welcome back. Today I'm revealing 5 ways you can earn $500 a day, starting with $0. No investment, no gimmicks, just your phone or computer, internet, and determination. These are real, proven business models anyone can start anywhere. If you want to quit your job, pay off debt, or gain freedom, this is for you. I'll break down each step so you can start building a serious income stream from scratch. Let's dive into the first method. First up, let's talk about freelancing, one of the most flexible and rewarding ways to earn money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, freelancing can open doors to a world of opportunities. Businesses everywhere are constantly searching for talented people who can help with writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, and so much more. If you have a skill, there's a business out there that needs it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com make it easy to connect with clients from all over the world, often within just a few days of signing up. To stand out, create a professional profile, use a high-quality photo, write a clear and engaging summary, and showcase your best work in your portfolio. This is your chance to make a great first impression. When you're just starting, offer competitive rates to attract your first clients. Focus on delivering excellent work and earning those crucial 5-star reviews. They'll help you build credibility fast. As you gain experience, go above and beyond for your clients. Over-deliver on your promises, communicate clearly, and watch as your reputation grows. Soon, you'll be able to raise your rates and choose the projects you love. Make it a habit to apply for new gigs every day. Send personalized proposals that show you understand each client's needs. With consistency, your inbox will start filling up with opportunities. If you stay committed and keep improving your skills, freelancing can absolutely help you reach $500 a day or even more. The key is to keep learning, keep hustling, and never give up. Ready to level up? Let's move to the next method and see what else is possible. Got knowledge? If you're good at a subject, whether it's math, science, English, or even something unique like coding or history, your skills are in demand. Turn what you know into extra cash by becoming an online tutor. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and help others succeed. Sites like Chegg Tutors and TutorMe make it easy to get started. You don't need a teaching degree, just a passion for helping others, and a solid understanding of your subject. Create a standout profile, pass a quick subject test, and you'll be ready to connect with students from all over the world who need your expertise. Focus on high-demand subjects like math, science, or English to attract more students and earn more per session. Start with one-on-one sessions to build confidence, then expand to group classes or create digital study guides for passive income. Earning great reviews will boost your profile, attract more students, and increase your income over time. With dedication, online tutoring can grow from a flexible side hustle into a thriving business that you run from home. Want passive income? Try affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love using special links. When someone buys, you earn a commission. Join programs like Amazon Associates, then create free content, YouTube reviews, TikToks, or helpful forum posts. Focus on valuable high-ticket items and build trust in a niche you're passionate about. Don't spam. Offer real value and solutions. As your audience grows, so does your income. Plant these links now, and they can pay you for years. If you love creating, start a YouTube, TikTok, or blog. No fancy gear needed. Pick a niche you're passionate about and post consistently. Your first videos might be rough, but keep improving. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and your own products or merch. The top creators have multiple income streams from their content. Build a brand around your personality and watch opportunities multiply. It's hard work, but the payoff can be huge. Ready for a hidden gem? Don't overlook remote customer service jobs. These positions are often underrated, but they can be a fantastic entry point into the world of remote work. If you're looking for a stable, flexible job you can do from the comfort of your own home, this is a great place to start. Major companies like Apple, Amazon, and many others regularly hire people to work from home in customer service roles. You can find these opportunities on reputable job boards such as FlexJobs, which specializes in remote and flexible jobs, or go directly to company career pages to search for openings like virtual assistant, chat support, or customer care specialist. These roles are in high demand and often don't require previous experience. All you really need is strong communication skills, a friendly attitude, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. If you enjoy helping people and solving problems, you'll thrive in this environment. Plus, a reliable internet connection is essential, but don't worry. Most companies provide comprehensive training so you'll be fully prepared before you start taking calls or answering chats. These jobs offer steady pay, regular hours, and often come with benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and even retirement plans, making them a secure choice for many. They're perfect as a foundation while you build other income streams or side hustles. Patience, empathy, and problem solving are key traits that will help you succeed and stand out. Over time, you can move up to higher paying roles such as team lead or supervisor, and gain valuable experience that opens doors to even more remote opportunities. It's a legit zero investment way to earn from home, offering flexibility, security, and the chance to grow your career, all without ever leaving your house. There you have it, 5 real ways to hit $500 a day with zero investment. Pick the method that excites you most and start today, not tomorrow. Consistency is everything. Even an hour a day can change your life in a year. Let me know in the comments which method you'll try. Smash that subscribe button for more money-making ideas. Now go out there and make it happen.